Assalamu alaikum. This one Roger gate motor 800 kg. I'm going to fix this push button to open from inside. Already I have this wire here, two pair. You know this Cat 6 have four pairs. This for two pairs I'm going to use. So already we laid that cable inside here. This sensor have extra two pair. I will take from there two pair and bring the wire like this here and fix the switch here. As I told you, this one I'm taking a wire from here. This is already coming from there, from the motor, and this I'm going to joint here, and then we'll make the wire like this. This wire is ready now, so I'm going to fix a box here, a small 3 by 3 PVC box, and then fix a switch on it. This wire is ready to connect with that switch. There is 2 point, so I'm going to fix this here, and then we'll try. This one will connect here, and this is the wire I'm going to connect here. First, once I will keep this make ready, and then I will test it. So see, it's all been done. The switch and fix, and it's all from here, and it's also these wires are connected. One here in common and one this PP. Now we'll try. I'll push the button, the gate will start. Okay, you can see it's all done. Okay, now open the gate with this. Press. That's all. If you like the video, share it please. Thank you very much.